Comes the N-Class locomotive going off to Warrnambool. I can just see the signals in the background flashing and starting up. The ones you can see at where the Linear Park is, you can see the crossings. I can see them flashing. You can probably see the signal for the train signal above near the platform. The red lights, that's not what I'm talking about. You can see next to it all the red lights flashing near this crossing. In between the red signal where the station is and the blue light, there's other lights flashing. That's the signal lights for the train.
Passengers, the train arriving on platform next will be the Warrnambool service. 806 Warrnambool service is next on platform. This train will be stopping at Marshall, Warn Ponds, Winchelsea, Birregurra, Connolly, Camperdown, Terang, Sherwood Park and Warrnambool Station. Service not stopping at Marshall, just stopping at Warn Ponds, Winchelsea, Birregurra, Connolly, Camperdown, Terang, Sherwood Park and Warrnambool Station. This train will not stop at Marshall.
The old 1980s N-Class locomotive.
806 Warrnambool service now arriving on platform.
These are what they call the first class trains in Australia. We have economy ones, and these are the first class ones. The first class car at the very back, the buffer car in the middle, and then 3 economy cars at the back. N460 and revving the engine up. Awesome. Now the N460 and N470 at south.
Train on platform.
Here goes the train, N460 with 4 carriages. How's it still getting off the train? That's why it's not moving. Here it goes, the train's going to drive off now. Maybe jump then, the Leslie RS5T. Then the headlamp. Full power before you release the brakes. That's awesome, that. Better doing that on purpose. Awesome. That's full power. That's what awesome. Awesome, all that. Awesome. Horn show. Awesome. Show itself. That's a horn show at South Geelong. First time. True horn show. Engine show and horn show.